Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I've talked about something with you guys, and if you've watched my previous video, which was a vlog, you must already know the reason behind it. I was having renovation going on around my house. There was a lot of noise. I didn't want to record something with extra noises in it, and that was the reason I thought of giving a little break to my videos. But now as the renovation work is done and my house is once again calm and quiet, I am sitting here to talk to you guys about a new product that was launched by Nykaa Cosmetics. So a few days back, Nykaa Cosmetics launched their new liquid lipsticks at a very affordable price range. So I decided to buy a few shades from the collection myself to try and review for you guys. So the particular collection that I'm talking about is called Nykaa All Day Matte Waterproof, Transfer Proof, Mask Proof 12-hour liquid lipstick. Now, I am reading this on my phone because it is quite a big name and it was a little difficult for me to remember. That's how big the name of this particular lipstick is. This particular lipstick retails for 349 rupees and it comes in 10 different color options. I have 5 shades from the collection, and in today's video I would not only be reviewing these particular lipsticks but would also be swatching all the 5 shades that I have with me. I have just tried one shade out of all 5 of these prior to recording this particular video, and the shade that I have tried and worn for almost like 8 to 9 hours is this particular one, and it is called Darling Daughter. So now, because I have tried this particular one for almost the full day, I know what to expect from these particular lipsticks too. I haven't opened all of these right now because I wanted to show you the outer packaging as well, which is nothing too fancy and it is just a plastic wrap, but I really wanted to show you the plastic wrap as well because it does contain a little sticker with the manufacturing details of the lipstick on it. So now I'll just open one of these lipsticks in front of you guys in the camera so that you can actually see that what all details you get on the outer packaging and what all details are actually mentioned on the tube of these lipsticks. Now this is how the tube of the lipstick looks like. It is a very plain, simple, cylindrical tube, and it is transparent with a black screw-on lid and a doe foot applicator. Nothing too fancy about the packaging in it, and it does come with just a little plastic sheet wrapping it, and I won't complain about that because like it's just a 349 rupees lipstick and I do not expect an outer packaging from it. So as I said, it contains a little sticker right here on the outer plastic wrap, and the sticker contains the details of the manufacturer on it, and just the net contents. Nothing much is actually mentioned on this particular sticker. Once you remove the sticker, this is how the actual lipstick looks like, and I'm really happy to say that the details of the manufacturing date and the expiry date is actually not mentioned on the outer sticker but on the actual tube. It is mentioned right here at a little corner underneath the brand name of the product, which is like Nykaa All Day Matte Lipstick. If you're wondering where is the name of the color mentioned, then like most of the products, it is mentioned on a little sticker which is pasted right here at the bottom of the lipstick. And yes, it is a very clean and a very simple sort of a packaging, and as I've already said, the applicator that comes with these lipsticks is actually a simple doe foot applicator, nothing too fancy about it. Now that being said, this is all I have to say about the packaging of these lipsticks. Now before talking about the formula, pigmentation and staying power of these lipsticks, let's get into the swatches first. after swatching all the 5 shades that I have from the collection, I really like how all the colors look on me, but my personal favorite is definitely the shade Supermom. I am loving the neutral shades from the collection a little better than the darker reds and pinks. Specifically, the red color sort of stained my lips and it was a little more difficult to remove. I have already talked about the price of these lipsticks. These just retail for 349 rupees, which does seem a very affordable option, but the quantity you get in this particular product is just 2.1 ml, which is not exactly a lot. So this is not the best product or the most affordable liquid lipstick that is available in the market, because it does seem affordable just looking at the price, but comparing the price with the quantity you get is not exactly very affordable. Now talking about the formula of these lipsticks, when you apply these lipsticks, first few seconds would be very creamy and very soft application, which actually means that these lipsticks are very easy to apply, but it just takes around 30 to 40 seconds for these lipsticks to completely dry, and once they are dry, they do not move. They are actually a little on the drying side, which is usually the case with most of the matte liquid lipsticks that are available in the market, but I was a little uncomfortable for a couple of hours after applying this particular lipstick. After almost like 2 hours, the drying feeling of these lipsticks were not there anymore, and I really almost forgot that I am wearing a lipstick. So if you can tolerate the initial couple of hours of the super drying formula of these lipsticks, then it is a very good option for you. It can easily last for 7-8 hours. I applied this lipstick, and just after like around an hour or so, I had the most oily meal that I could have, and this particular lipstick was like 90% there. There was a little bit of fading from the inner sections of the lips, but on most of the part of the lips it was still there, and it actually wasn't feeling very awkward. Now talking about the claims that the brand makes, this lipstick is mask proof. It do not transfer on your mask. It does have a long staying power. It, as I said, can stay for 7 to 8 hours even if you have multiple coffees and an oily meal. It is completely transfer proof. It do not transfer on the cups or any other thing that your lips touch, and it certainly is waterproof too. Now all that being said, I would still give this particular formula just a 4 out of 5 and not complete 5, because I do not like the drying feeling it gives to me. It is certainly not as drying as the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks, but it is drying, and I do not like the way it makes my lips feel in the starting couple of hours. Also, it does accentuate the fine lines that I have on my lips, which is certainly not very pretty looking, specifically if you look up close. Like from the far, it looks perfect, it looks beautiful, but when you look up close, the fine lines are so accentuated that they do not look pretty. So for my final verdict, I would say that if you are looking for something which stays for a longer period of time and which is affordable with beautiful everyday color options, and you are ready to overlook the fact that it might be a little drying, then these Nykaa All Day Matte lipsticks are a very good option for you. But if you are someone who do not like the super dry feeling that liquid lipsticks give, then these might not be the best ones for you that are available in the market. So that's it for today's video. If you like today's video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.